So I didn't know that while making my first video, I would have wardrobe malfunctions, forget what I was thinking, and have lovely interruptions from my stupid roommate that doesn't flush the toilet and leaves the bathroom looking like a DIY abortion took place. So on a lighter note, I just needed to do it. I just needed to do what I love, which was style philosophy. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it does correlate, I promise you that, and we're gonna have quite a ride. Please don't mind me as I'm mouthing the F word out of frustration. Let's move forward. So I'm a curious creature, colorful creature. In other words, total freaking dork. I have to research everything. The things I love to research is how to apply practicality, simplicity, serenity, but still have a lot of space to be creative and imagine. Yeah, and you know, girl, I gotta sharpen them slay skills with my buddy Buddha right here. Oh. Fresh slay juice right here, 100%. Guide to players. I got you. Epic Ice Queen. Girl, don't be crusty. Upgrade to Thug for life. Girl, you think you all slick and shit? Ho, I hurt you. So, Bizarre Great Style is a book from 2005. And it's really interesting because it's not about trends, but it's about being timeless. It would be very interesting to see what rules are applicable and what rules weren't and why didn't they work. So it would be really cool to do a compare and contrast to today, and this will definitely be a video that I will be making very soon. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. This is my first video, so obviously the quality is not that great, but as time passes by, I promise you the material and the video is just going to be stronger and better. But thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Gonna read now. Bye.